Ah, God, God, see life, eh? Since morning I never eat. Only 100 naira. 100 naira. Now in my hand. And some people they spend 200k for the women just for one night. See me. Eh? God. This life no balance oh. Ah! Wait till I finish this 100 naira buy like this now. Eh? I no feel I buy rice. No go anywhere. Only me if you finish one dereka. What is this one want do? Ah! Think now. I might go play bet. Carry like 30 match. To win like maybe 2 million.
Continue.
Ah, this idea good though. If I win this 2 million like this now, I'll know say this night don't show. I'll go club, spend like 1.5 million. I'll do 3 million, scatter everywhere. Let you know say that boy don't blow.
Continue.
You can't remain 500,000. I'll go use like 300,000 buy clothes. After I buy clothes, so boy go look fresh. Use 100k, buy some kind of food stuff, put for house. Save like 50k. Then the remaining 50k, I'll use and invest. My life does change, oh. Ah, see idea, God. As I talk and so, maybe so. Cause now the game I want go play like this. God, now you the deal. This is a nice move. Ah, yes.